All right. Today I'm going to teach you how to resize an image. The image resize we're going to use is the one that we use for posters. The posters are always 13 by 19. So the base measurements I give you are 11 by 17. Okay. Before we start here, this is my granddaughter and her little ducks. Before we start, we're going to click on image and we're going to say, where'd it go? Duplicate. Make a copy. Always make a copy so you don't lose the original. Now I'm going to take the original and get rid of it because I don't want to accidentally ruin it. So I have my image here. Now I need to figure out how big this image is. Now, by the way, I've already trimmed it. I've already edited the size. So all I need to do now is go to image size. Resolution. Resolution should always be 300. Now I have 56 and 40. Now I said it was 17 by 11. I always take the largest number, make it 17. The lowest number should be 11. See how it's 12? That's too big. So now that it's 17 there, I'm going to make it 11 here. Now it's no longer 17 up here. It's 15. That is okay, as long as this is 11. Always do 17 first, and if it's too big, then make the 11 here. Now I'm going to click OK. Now I have an image that is just the right size for me. I'm also going to teach you how to put this on a poster. To create your poster, you will go to File. You will click on New. All right, I've made it before, so it's already here, but I'm going to show you. Make sure it says inches, not pixels. The width or height, it doesn't matter. 19 by 13, always 19 by 13. Make sure it's 300 pixels per inch. Make sure it's white. Then I'm going to click Create. Oh no, going the wrong way. I don't care. It doesn't matter. All I have to do is go to Image, Rotate, and flip it a little. Now, I'm going to put the picture right here. I'm going to shrink this a little bit by going to Control minus so it fits better. I'm going to click on the picture of the ducks. Have the picture. Make sure you are on this Move tool here. If you're anywhere else, it'll mess you up. So always make sure you're here first before you move things. So I've got my Move tool. I'm going to take this Move tool. I'm going to take the arrow, make it go to the bar. I'm going to hold my mouse down the whole time I'm doing this. Now I'm going to drag it back down and let go. And I have my picture on my poster board. Now I need to center my picture on my poster board. So I'll move it till I see the pink. There should be two things of pink. Right now I'm just seeing one. So may just be one. Get it as centered as you can. Once you've done that, you've got your picture on your board. Now here's what we do. We go to, let's see, we go to Layer, because we've got two layers now and we want one. So to flatten that, I go all the way down to where it says Flatten Image, because I want to flatten that puppy. So Flatten Image. Now this is a poster. Since I've made it a poster size, I'm going to go to File, Save As. This is important. Okay. I'm going to make a name for it. So I'm going to call it, I'm going to use my last name, of course, then my first name. Then I'm going to call it Maddie Ducks, what it is. And I'm going to put it at 13 by 19. So I know the size. If I don't put the size, then I'm going to go trying to find a poster and I won't know what it is. 13, 19 tells me right away I've got a poster. Decide where I'm going to put it because I really want to know where I'm putting this thing. Don't just save it without putting it somewhere. So I want mine. Go back to my OneDrive. And I want to put it in my home stuff because it's home photos. So I'll click on that and put it in photos and say save. Now I know exactly where I've put it. Now, the quality, you want your quality at maximum every time, which means this arrow should always be here. Once you've got that, click OK, and you saved your image. It's that simple. This is how you create a poster size print.